and the center line become the center of the side view, and these two lines become the end of the side view. And I have to take dark pencil, and this line should be extended to even this side also. And this line should be extended to this side also, like this. Now side of this ready, bottom is ready. This side also you have to extend. This line should be extended to even top. Okay, 1, 2, 3 line is ready, and this line should be extended this side. Like you have to take, and this side also. Side view, all 4 corners are ready. See how to extend is like this, and we have to write this radius, whatever the fashion, how we have drawn it, same thing should be taken here also. How to draw it? We have to take this line should be extended here and up to here. This is the bottom line of the radius, bottom line of the radius, and it is taken from this side view. And we have to a construction line, write a construction line like this. We have to divide this line. Using this compass, like this, like this. We have got 2 lines. Then construction line is, then we have to draw like this. Then take this mini drafter, rotate and draw a line passing this point and this point. Okay, we have got a middle point here. If this point we got from tracing this line, we have to draw from here to here a line. Then we have to divide this line from here to here a middle line. For that also we will use the compass technique only. Take this compass, use this, and you have got 2 lines. We have to join this 2 point, this point and this point, like this. Okay, so we have this line and this line. These 2 lines are joined here. This is the joining point, and this is considered as the radius center point of this top radius. Take again a compass put the pointer here, use this as a point, use this, draw like this, okay. We are able to draw a radius here. Similar technique of this, we have to extend this to even side also, bottom also. We have got this size. Take this, center this, draw this. So center of the line is here. Similar method we have to use it here and draw it. Again we have got this point. Use this compass again. Take this point, same radius, like this. Okay. So top two radius is ready. We have to write the bottom radius also. For that also we have to take same radius, this as a middle, and take and mark it here. And similar way we have to mark it here also, middle, reverse this compass, then take this as a point, write it like this. Now bottom side radius also ready. You take this, bottom radius ready, top radius ready. We have to extend this. So this like this. This is now ready. Okay. Almost all the views are ready. We have to make it little finish work. What is that called? We have drawn a dotted line here. Similar dotted line also we have to draw it here and again check it. Either my draft scale is ready, correctly fitted or not. Again, center line is one of the important reference line. Check it. So we have to again draw it. It should be a dotted line. Okay. Front view. This is a top view. This is side view. And we have to take this mini drafter 30-degree tilted. Draw this chamfer line. Because chamfer angle is 30-degree, we have to draw it like this, draw it. And similar way we have to draw it here also. And again you turn this side, again 30-degree, draw it. This side also. But no chamfer required here. Chamfer will not appear in this side view. Only this view the chamfer will appear. We have to draw it. Take and some finishing work is to be done. And I have to extend this line up to here and line up to here. Okay. Then the required construction is over. For that afterwards we can give some aesthetic look to this drawing through some shading work. I will use this sketch pen here. I can like this. We can make it like this, like this. chamfer will, we can show some extra like this. Here also even here also like this. Then after writing all, you have to write then the view name. This is front view. This is side view. This is top view. And after writing complete view, we have to write some of the important dimension also. For that, I will use this sketch pen and write this. Then while writing the dimension, we have to write the actual dimension. What is the thickness now? The 24. We have to write the 24 only here. Then what is the across the flight dimension? Across the flight dimension is 39. You have to write it here 39. Across the flight dimension is 39. See here 39. This is 24 and nut size. Nut size is 24 mm. Okay, this is how we have to draw the hexagonal nut. And thank you for watching this video. And the next video or next session, I am going to show how to draw this bolt itself. Thank you.